What's up guys, today we're going to be unboxing this €40 monitor I got from eBay. Originally was €45, I got them down €5 off eBay because I put in an offer and I got it. But it arrived like this, look at it. Look how bad the shape of the box is. It's bulging out at the bottom. And look at this, I can push down on that. So let's hope this monitor actually is in one piece and not broken. Find out my new tools I can unbox them, as long as I have a camera now. Otherwise it does not go well. It seems to be okay with the packaging inside. So far. There'll be a quick little video at the end of it, just make sure that it works okay. As long as I don't see any external problems on it right now. So hopefully this box is so weird. Can I cut through the box? This is a good knife. This is some better packaging. Let's just say the packaging wasn't coming loose. So at the top we got our power cord. Simple PC power cord, works just fine. Packaging out of the way. And now more tape. Looks like it's tan. Seems like this is the way to go. This extra packaging is actually pretty good, now that I see it. Well, it's new, look, it has a sticker and everything on it. I don't think I need a knife anymore, so I'm just going to put that away. It's fine, fix it later. One more truth, is the screen cracked? And it's smashed to pieces, people. No, it actually looks not too bad. It's a little bit dirty, but it doesn't seem bad. Just a little bit of clean. This is actually metal down here, so I'm guessing the top. Yeah, the top of this is metal. Side's plastic. Can I change it around though? Is the question. I presumed you could. I don't know why someone would just make a monitor just like this. There we go. Now we got the monitor. I can go up and down. It's actually much better. Got a handle and everything. In case you want to bring it on holidays, you know. Because people bring their monitors on holidays. So this is actually a 900p monitor. It's 16 by 10 aspect ratio, so it's not too bad. Some reason this must have been from Electric Ireland actually. So it has Electric Ireland stickers. This monitor has DisplayPort, DVI and VGA, along with the USB 2.0 connection pass-through. If you look here, so 2 USB ports on the side, because that's how you know it's a business monitor. Yes, 2 USB ports on the side. So yeah, actually I'm gonna plug this in right here real quick and I'll be able to see if there is any dead pixels on the screen or some smashed pixels. I can just plug it in real quick to see that the OSD displays. Because I am pulling a computer over here right now. This handle is actually pretty nice. Plugging you right in there, does it turn on automatically? It did. There's some sticky stuff on the screen. Don't know what that is. Do any of the controls work? Menu? Okay, menu does work. DisplayPort, DVI VGA, got some model connection things. So that's source. Okay. I'm not sure why the menu button is not working. I'm sure that auto calibration. Yeah, menu button does not seem to be working. Maybe he has to have a video through for him. But yeah, everything seems to be okay. It doesn't seem like there's anything bad. You would see like green pixels if it was like bad or anything like that. Seems pretty good right now. So it's a little bit dusty. We clean it up, but for €40, I think this is a deal. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed more unboxings like this. Please leave a like, subscribe, and see you for more upcoming content. See you guys next one.